So this sink might not look like much to you, but if you saw the before, you would get my excitement. It's nothing short of a magic trick that it's white. And how many of you can say that you have had your initials of your lover written in acid in your sink? That's true love, baby. True love. So what is that, babe?
Muriatic acid.
Let me look.
I believe that's what they use to etch concrete. And I had someone tell me that it works on cleaning the iron stains from porcelain. You can use it for, we use it for the sink. I'm going to use it for this toilet here. And we're trying it out on the shower if you want to see what it looks like. So I use gloves. I should be using safety glasses, but I don't have my glasses on. I'm just going to dip some in there just to try not to make a mess. So I just got about an inch full. You want to come see? I'll bring this over here. I already did part of it, but as you can see, this magic, and that takes a little bit of time, but I'll do some down here too. Look at that. Do some down here, a little easier to see.
Well, you can see that stripe lightening up above where you just did it.
It takes a few minutes, or 10, 20 seconds. But pretty much got a brand new shower. Look at that. But yeah, you can, we tried all sorts of stuff. We tried, CLR and
You tried the works.
the works, and all those things, and they didn't do it. But I had some of this, and I figured we'd try to not spend a couple $1,000s on this bathroom and just spend like $15. And so far, it's gotten us pretty close. Obviously, we still have to spend a lot of money on other things, but...
So will this turn all the way white when you do a couple layers of it?
I think it's going to be what the original color is.
Yeah, like a yellow.
Which is probably like an off-white yellow from who knows?
Big
80s.
difference from this brown though.
The 80s or 90s. But look at that.
That's pretty sweet.
Pretty crazy.